Hey y'all, it's your girl Sashi E. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I got my face from this by using turmeric, honey, lemon, and aloe to that. A subscriber actually requested this video a few weeks ago, so let's get into it. I'll first be starting off with some turmeric. I used 2 tablespoons. Although I showed 1 tablespoon here, I did go back and add another at the end of the video to thicken up my mixture. There are many benefits of using turmeric to treat acne. My favorite is its ability to fade acne scars. I definitely want my face to be moisturized, so I am adding 2 tablespoons of honey to my mixture. Honey has healing properties and is known to fade dark marks as well. As you notice from my before picture, I had a lot of dark marks. So for this mask, I try to use as many natural ingredients as possible to fade those dark marks and to provide me with an even toned skin, which is why I added a lemon juice to my mixture. So lemon juice assisted in lightening my dark marks, brightening my skin, and giving me smoother, more even toned skin. The last ingredient I'll be using is the aloe vera leaf. Aloe vera leaf is such a miracle worker for your skin. If you're not using aloe, ask yourself why. This leaf is packed with vitamins, minerals, enzymes, and the list goes on and on. For my mixture, I use 1/4 of the aloe vera leaf. For your mixture, you don't want it to be too runny or too thick. This consistency is perfect. Hey y'all, so to apply my mixture, I'll be using these cosmetic wedges. I love using these because when I'm done, I dispose of the wedge and I don't have to worry about washing my brushes or the turmeric staining my brushes. I now use the mask once per week, but when my skin was really bad, I was using it twice per week, and it also took about 3 months for my skin to clear up and get to this point. So after I applied the first layer, I let the mask dry for about 1 minute and then I add a second layer. You don't have to apply a second layer if you don't want to, but I'm extra, so I do it anyways. I let my mask stay on for about 30 minutes before I rinse it off with water. It's been a little over 30 minutes and this is how my mask looks. It still looks wet because of the honey, but it's actually dry. When you go to rinse the mask off your face, it's going to feel like you have an exfoliator on your face due to the turmeric. So yes, y'all, this is my face, all nice and clean. I rinsed off my mask and my face looks so good and it feels so soft, y'all. So after my mask, I like to add witch hazel. I usually pick this up at Walmart for less than $1, you guys. It's very effective. I love this stuff and I use it as my toner. After applying my witch hazel, I then go in with my CeraVe PM Facial Moisturizing Lotion. This lotion is oil-free and very lightweight. I try to use all oil-free products because my acne is classified as comedones, which is caused by oil and dead skin cells clogging my pores. It's a must for me to add petroleum jelly to my lips. I have super dry skin, so if I don't add this at night, I usually wake up with cracked lips. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and ask me anything in the comments. Love you guys. Bye.